In this video, I will show you how to put your URL window, or search bar as it's now called, back to the top of the screen in Safari on iPhone, where it belongs. Since the internet became available to the public in the late 80s and early 90s, the URL window has always been at the top of your web browser. But recently, Apple decided to turn your world upside down and put it at the bottom of the window in the Safari browser for iPhone. I'm sure they had their reasons, I guess if you want to use it one-handed, but for most of us, this is just another change that didn't need to happen. Thankfully, there is a way to go back to the way things were. Open up Settings and scroll down to Safari. Open it up, and about halfway down you will see an option for Tab Bar or Single Tab. Click on Single Tab and close out of Settings. Now go back into Safari and you will see the URL bar, or search bar as it's now known, is back where it belongs, at the top of the window. And if anyone from Apple is watching, might I suggest you focus your efforts on making what we have now work reliably, as opposed to changing things needlessly just to say you have a new feature at the Worldwide Developers Conference. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. See you in the next one.